Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Sien ka Banyngkong ka Wheelchair Basketball Federation of India ka Pynlong ya ka jingila kai basketball ka ba compare tam jela ya ka balatip kum ka wheelchair basketball. Kani ka jingila kai basketball kelas sedang ka khalai trik ulber arjar khat khandai bat kan kot no ka khat sau trik ulber arjar khat khandai. Ka jing temu bakongsan bala Pynlong ya kani ka jingila kai ga dai namar ban kentiu ya ka jingila kai sport na banta gitu ki brio ki baduna ka khot mat ya ki balatip kum ki persons with disabilities. Yakani ka wheelchair basketball lapanyai daka Kaliani Rajaraman ka General Secretary jongga WBFI hakabaki nong hikai lani ki coach ki kuntuk yau Krishnanan bat u Captain Louis George Mepart kiban naga nong ba Mumbai kidon arf sangut kinong ilak kai kuntup ya henringut ki kentai ki balawan pentibit hagani ka jing ilak kai. Yakani ka coaching camp la penyai harengkat ke jingi Trailang jongga District Election Officer East Sales, District Sports Promotion Society, bat ka Star Health and Allied Insurance Corporation Limited.
We are organizing an introductory camp today and tomorrow, that is 13th and 14th of March, for persons with disabilities. We have with us now 22 of them have registered, 11 women and 11 men have registered. They are from various districts of Meghalaya. And in these 2 days, they will be learning the basics of basketball, that is wheelchair skills, ball handling, ball shooting, basics of offense and defense. And we are doing this program with the support of District Election Commissioner and the District State Administration Sports Society of Meghalaya, and Bethany Society here. They have helped us in mobilizing the players, and we need a specially designed sports wheelchair to conduct this program. And since it is new, we got the sports wheelchair from Shishu Sharati in Assam and NGO. And the stadium, the food, accommodation, everything is provided by the district administration. We're very thankful to them, and players are very enthusiastic to learn. And tomorrow at 4 o'clock we are planning to have an exhibition match followed by certificate distribution. We will be working with the local people to register a state association, enroll more people, and then make everybody in Meghalaya who have disability below the lower limb to play wheelchair basketball for many reasons. One is it is a very good rehabilitation sport. It helps persons with disabilities to improve their health, because all the skills that they are going to do is what a physio is going to teach them in any clinic. And not only that, it is going to give them a lot of soft skills like self-confidence, team building, and high level of awareness. And all the soft skills they will learn, and they will get a lot of opportunity to pursue their education, employment. And many of our players are now representing India. We have taken our team to Asian Paragames qualifiers, to a Bali Cup where they won 3rd place. Our Indian team has won the Lebanon tournament also. We got the 3rd place there also. We encourage a lot of women to participate. Let me tell you, we are very happy that 11 women are participating today. This is the highest level of women who have enrolled in across India. This is the first state where more women have come forward to practice this.
The idea behind this tournament is It's part of the sweep campaign. Sweep campaign, it's getting more people enrolled, getting more people into the entire election process. And as the themes of the Election Commission has always been, accessible elections, and this largely includes persons with disabilities. So this program, it's meant to bring them to this place. As you have seen, we have a mock polling station where the EVM, VVPAT machines are also there, and we have had a mock polling of all the persons with disabilities. So, you can say this is a joint program. It's meant, it caters to both objectives of bringing in the people with disabilities, encouraging them to come on into the open, at the same time encouraging them to participate in the entire